Hello, my name is Frank Russell. I'm the Director of Athletics for Liberty Common School. And first of all, I want to say thank you to those of you that sponsored the 2025 Eagles for Eagles Golf Tournament. As we promised last year, we will be back and bigger this year. We have an ambitious goal. In 2025, we raised over $10,000. We bought women's basketball uniforms. We bought new decorations for the high school gym. This year, the funds raised from Eagles for Eagles 2026 will go towards turfing Everett Field and resurfacing the track. These are vital needs for Liberty Common School and Liberty Common Athletics. This complex hosts Olympic Day, hosts soccer games, track meets, and many more events that are important to the lifeblood and community of this school. We want this to be a facility that we are proud of as we welcome members from outside the community and inside the community onto our campus. And so we hope that you'll join us on August 10th, 2026 at Ptarmigan Country Club for this year's Eagles for Eagles. Thank you.